Okay, so I'm actually on the 39th floor of Heights Sukhumvit 11. Then that there is Circle 11 by Fragrant Property. So there are delays and stuff, but according to the developer, they are looking to hand over the property in the middle of 2019. So there's like rectification works being done. So you can see the location is actually pretty prime. So just across, right, is actually Fraser Suites. So that's like a service apartment, pretty popular service apartment. Further off in the skyline there, right, that's actually Circle condominium. Some people call it Circle 1, but there's actually a river that divides Circle 1 from the Sukhumvit Soi 11. So this side where we are is actually Sukhumvit Soi 11, which is walking distance to Nana BTS. But over there, right, that's actually Petbury Road. So Circle 1 is actually at Petbury Road. Yep, so just an update. Okay, see you at the next video.